Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's KJ Beauty, and so today I'm back with another style. I'm gonna show you guys this really cute and quick spring break hairstyle that you guys can do in less than 2 hours. And honestly, this hairstyle was so super quick. So to start, I'm parting the side of my head and I'm just parting a square out, and I'm gonna go ahead and braid the rest of my hair into cornrows going down in that direction, because it'll make the hair looks a little bit more natural. I am using the Got to Be Ultra Glue to kind of lay down my flyaways, and so the hairstyle can be a little bit much neater. So I'm gonna go throughout the whole hair and do the cornrows. Now I am using some coconut oil to kind of grease my scalp, and for the hair that I'm going to be using, it's called Bounce Curlon. I bought it at my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to try and see if I can find a link online, and I'll put it down in the description box below. And this hair is very nice and it is really bouncy. You can use any type of hair if you want to for that style, but I just prefer that one because it was really nice. So to start, I'm gonna split the hair into two. Instead of looping both of the ends, I'm just gonna loop one end and then the rest gonna fall on top. It'll just make the hair looks a little bit more natural, and so it won't be as bulky. So I am only looping one strand of hair. So I'm mostly using this method for the front part, and throughout the rest of my hair I'm just gonna do the regular loop where I pull two of the strands together, and I am splitting each strand of hair into 3 or 4 depending on how thick it is, because I wanted my curls to be a little bit more lightweight and more fluffier. But you can always put the hair as it is, but I just wanted more definition to the curls, so that's why I split the hair into 3. Once I reach towards the back, I'm gonna take the excess hair that is hanging out my hair. I'm just gonna put it through the cornrow so it can be hidden, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and crochet the hair on top of that. And I'm gonna go ahead and unravel my natural hair, and I'm just gonna detangle it and get it prepped to start the parting. So I will be doing triangle partings, and using a rat tail comb definitely make the process so much easier, and it makes your partings and your lines so much straighter. So I would suggest you get a rat tail comb. You will definitely see a difference when styling your hair. I'm gonna apply some oil on my scalp because my scalp is super dry. I have the driest scalp when it's winter. Using my Got To Be Ultra glue to slick down my edges and my baby hair. It just makes the style so much easier, and I will strongly recommend this glue when styling your hair. It just slick down everything and it stays in place. A lot of you had questions about rubber band popping, and I suggest that you get the thick ones, because I haven't had any problem with the thick rubber bands popping in my hair or anything like that, and it doesn't break my hair. So what I usually do to prevent that, I twist the hair itself, my natural hair, and before I put the rubber band, it just kind of help my hair staying put together, so when I'm taking it out, it wouldn't tangle up with my natural hair. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So I kind of twist my natural hair before putting the rubber band. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do another parting, diagonal parting, so I can have my triangle parts. I usually use toothbrush for my baby hairs. I don't remember the last time that I used regular brush for my baby hair. I think that also prevents breakage. Just to let you guys know, this hairstyle, it is a protective hairstyle. It is not tight at all. So next I'm gonna go in with my crochet needle, and I'm gonna go under the rubber band, and I'm gonna pull the crochet hair through, and I'm gonna braid this with my natural hair. And I'm also using the coconut eco styler gel. But once I twist it into a 2-strand twist, I'm gonna go ahead and twist it around and create a Bantu knot. And I'm just gonna follow the same step throughout the rest of the triangle partings. am all done. This is the final look, and OMG, I am super in love with it. Oh my gosh, it turned out super nice and cute. I really like how it turned out. So if you like even bigger hair, you can always add a lot more. But just to show you guys, I still have a whole pack of hair left, but like it's falling apart. I have a whole pack of hair left. This is all only 2 packs of hair, so if you do like bigger hair, you can always add more. But I like how it turned out, and you can always just leave it as it is. Like if you don't wanna have small little curls like that, you can always leave it like this to give you more, I guess, of a natural look. But I like them really small, and if you want it to be more bigger, you can just go ahead with a comb and just kind of tease the roots, and they will definitely puff out. But I like the length. I love the color on me, and this literally took under 2 hours to do, so it was super quick. And if you guys would like to see different ways that I kind of style the side of my head, like, because you know this won't last for sure, probably it will last me like a week, like if I tie it down and stuff. But if you guys would like to see different styles, different ways that I do the side of my head, let me know down in the comment section below. I can always do it. And I also wanted to let you guys know to film, and it is our online jewelry store, and they sent me this necklace which is really nice. Look at this, you guys. It is you can create your own initials, you know, give a friend, a loved one, your mother, since Mother's Day is around the corner. Head to SUPERRR, and I also have a discount code, a 15% discount code, so you guys can get some coins off of your necklace. And I hope you guys go ahead and check it out, because they really do have some pretty cute stuff. Hopefully you guys like it. It was super quick and easy. Took me less than 2 hours to do. It was so inexpensive, less than $20. So I will see you beautiful people on my next video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And also don't forget to follow me at my IG. It's at SUPERRR Cutie. And I will see you beautiful people on my next video.